Hello ladies and welcome to today's Behind the Seams. Today is our first style video of the beautiful Zaket Plover.
Welcome lovelies. We are having so much fun styling this Zaket Plover collection of spring. So we're both wearing the shirt in a different print. I think both equally. This is like, wow.
Pretty, eh?
It's honest to God.
I know.
And I didn't think I would like this as much as I do, because I put it on and it's like so classy.
It's soft colors for you too.
Soft, it's
I know.
beautiful.
It is beautiful.
And then the biggest excitement is the skirt and the pant, because they're both beautiful.
Beautiful.
It feels like $1 million, these pants. And look how cool.
Look at the slits.
Yeah.
Yours too.
Yeah, and I have the bell bottoms, you know?
And look at how cute the little pockets on the
bum.
bum.
Yeah, oh my God.
And there's elastic
so
here.
Cute, Tessa.
Yeah, and then front.
I love it.
You know.
I was going to smack your bum, but you turned just in time. And what do I have here in the back? Is there a pocket?
There's a pocket, yeah.
Yeah, one pocket.
Yeah.
Yeah, really nice. And what I like too is the fly front.
Yeah,
I have a fake fly.
A faux fly.
And then this white elastic band, not too white,
it's
but
nice. It's nice to have a thick band. And the white top stitching we love.
And the pockets.
Yeah. So ladies, I have on a medium.
This is a no-brainer.
I had the small on, but it was right here on my hips, just a little tight. So I went up to the medium, which fits beautiful.
It fits you beautiful.
Lousje has on the small pants.
And it fits me to a T.
To a T.
Extra small would have been too small.
Extra small, I think, would have been too small. Yeah. So I feel like you might want to go up a size in the pants. Yeah, if you're typically an extra small like Lousje, go with the small.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then
the top, the shirt, the T-shirt.
Adorable.
You could also, I was showing Lousje, we could also have that underneath to have some more softness to it.
Beautiful.
The white pop is beautiful though with the top stitching.
Yeah.
Love that. Yeah. And then, you know, I could have worn this open too with the line.
Oh my goodness.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
And then of course, you know, either of us can wear the denim
and the navy.
And tuck it in.
Gorgeous.
So beautiful little tops.
So you wear it like this, closed up and tucked. I have it like a jacket.
Yeah.
And then if I would close this up, it would be beautiful too,
as well.
Right? Yeah.
Yeah. And you could tuck it in too. But I love this here, the sides, little cute slit.
Yeah. Right.
We're both wearing smalls in this, ladies, so it's meant to be a bit oversized. Feels amazing. Yeah. Such a nice light fabric. I think it'll be great in the hot weather.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, for sure.
The little top too that Lousje has is a size small, so you can see it's a nice boxy fit.
It's nice.
Yeah,
it's not take
clingy.
The shirt off so you can see the little sleeves.
And it is 100% cotton too, ladies. Yeah, beautiful. Look how even on its own, right?
Oh yeah.
Beautiful top.
Like this is like I would style it different with a different necklace, you know?
Yeah.
But jeans and white, of course, with the top stitching, it picks it up.
It picks it up beautifully. And Lousje has on the beautiful Ziska here. We just have the one left. So hopefully it's still here when the video comes up. And then the beautiful Emotions. I love those, light dainty. And I picked a post here. These are quite funky and sculptural, the little shapes. And then beautiful. We got the navy in now, and then with the white, love it. It picks it up, so great. So that is our first look. We're gonna switch and we'll be right back. All right, ladies, here we are back in two beautiful new outfits with the same bottoms. Gorgeous, feeling good?
Feeling really good.
I know. Like, these are the two sweaters that I said on the racks. I thought, nah, and she said, please try them on. Don't you love it?
I love it. I love the feel of it. I love the style.
Yeah.
Small.
Nice and airy. That's a small.
Nice sizing.
Yeah.
Nice length.
Yeah.
And yeah, you wear a little cami underneath or not, you know, it's up to you. But
yeah, or not. Yeah, I'll show you it with the denim skirt without a top. I mean, it looks great, I think.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah.
It's a little saucy.
Saucy.
Look at that. So and this is the one that you said didn't appeal.
You know, but look how beautiful it is on.
It's striking.
It's gorgeous. Look at this
detail.
I know.
And then at the back, this little line, but not in the front.
Not in the front. That. So cute. And the little sleeves.
I love it.
It's absolutely gorgeous.
Look how different.
Yeah. I wanted to show you it with the denim skirt because this is a great casual look.
It's beautiful. And I love the neckline too. It's a boat neck.
The boat neck, beautiful.
Love.
And again, ladies, this knit feels amazing. Yeah. And so nice and light too for the season.
Yeah.
And then earrings, just like you too. Just simplicity.
Simple.
Simple, beautiful
Yeah.
little drop earrings. No necklace. You can definitely wear a necklace, but I think sometimes, you know, less is more.
Less is more.
So we also have the sweaters, which would be gorgeous too with the denim. That has a really dark navy with the sleeve.
Beautiful.
And then also
Oh
this
my,
one,
yes.
so
Oh my.
so pretty. And then there was also black ladies in the little tee that we had there.
The world is your oyster, really.
Yeah, absolutely. So as you can see, you can really mix and
So
match
much
these
fun.
beautiful basics,
Yeah.
and play with all the different colors. The sweaters are gorgeous, hey?
Love, love,
Yeah.
love.
All right,
Okay.
ladies, watch out tomorrow because we're gonna style up the pants and the dresses.
Yeah.
And have a little bit more fun with that. And please check out our Instagram because we do post still pictures often of me and Lousje, mostly Lousje here because she's such a beautiful model. Everybody always talks about how beautiful she is.
Oh my goodness, thank you.
She's so cute. And if you wouldn't believe it, ladies, Lousje is gonna be...
Don't say
Why?
it. Don't.
She is gonna be 74
Tessa,
in a few weeks.
cut that out.
No, it's
Yeah,
beautiful.
you don't
Embrace,
have to advertise it.
embrace your
I
age.
embrace aging. People that
I love
complain
it.
about it should be get a little smack because
Well, why are you hiding it?
no, but I no, I just think
What I think is when I was younger, when I was a little child, and we used to go to say like Tente and Omashaw.
my aunt and
My
uncle
mom's aunt and uncle in
who
Hamilton.
lived in Hamilton.
And when they were in their 70s, I felt like they were ancient. Like
Yeah,
I
they
felt
were
like they
like-
were like now, like 100, like 90. But like I feel like a 70-year-old now to me is like a 50, a late 50s,
It's
early
true.
60-year-old.
True.
And I think it's amazing.
Yeah,
And
okay, well, so okay, I'll take your compliment. Okay,
but
I'm
I'm
gonna
just,
be
I'm
74.
just, I'm, you know, complimenting how great you look and how,
No.
you know, well you still dress. Of course, you know, you're always going to dress great. But I think it's amazing. So I think it's
Thank
great
you.
to embrace. Hey,
It is. It's a privilege to age. It's not a.
Well,
it's
even
not a burden.
I
It's a
feel like I'm
privilege.
25.
Yeah,
I'm
well,
gonna be
that is
45
right.
this year. Can you
Right.
imagine? No, I know. I think it's nice to
Don't you
embrace
find?
it. Yeah.
There's a lot in the news about
Yeah.
aging. Aging is a privilege. My God, my oldest sister, she passed away already 2 years, like when she was 72. I think it's. This is a gift to live this long, you know, and it's not even that long. Honest to God, I'm going to be a centurion, or what do you call?
You
what do they
are.
call
You're
it?
going to be in the blue. They're going to be like St. Catharines is the blue zone.
Yeah, well, with luck, because you have to have a lot of luck too, right?
No, it's true.
know?
You're in the blue zone. When you and Glenn move into Norris Place, the Norris Place is going to be the blue zone. Watch out, ladies, because this weekend we have a house tour on
yeah.
Saturday.
Yeah.
We're going to be showing Lousje in the house. I think the drywall's all done.
Yeah.
I have to go have my own tour. I'm so excited.
Yeah, you have to come. Kristen saw it. Kristen went inside and she said,
It's
"This is
so
a different
exciting.
house."
It's so exciting. So watch out. That is coming this Saturday. And stay tuned tomorrow for another style video from Zaket
Zaket
and
and
Plover.
Plover.
Have a great day.
Keep on smiling.